Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Microsoft Power Automate with Dynamics 365 Sales step by step clearly. To begin, open Microsoft Power Automate in your browser. Sign in with your Microsoft account associated with Dynamics 365. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type Dynamics 365 into the search bar and press enter. From the results, select Dynamics 365. Now, click on Create located in the left-hand. Choose Automated Cloud Flow from the options provided. Give your flow a meaningful name in the designated field. Next, select a trigger for your flow. Scroll down to find when a record is created and select it. You will now need to specify your Dynamics 365 environment. Choose your environment from the drop-down menu. After that, select the entity for which you want to create the automation. You might choose lead or opportunity, depending on your needs. Once selected, click Create to start building your flow. Your flow editor will now open. In this editor, add any necessary actions after the trigger. Click on New Step to see the available actions. Search for the action you want to perform, like sending an email or updating records. Select the desired action from the list. Now, fill in any required fields for your selected action. You can use dynamic content from the trigger to personalize your message. Once you've set up your actions, click the Save button in the upper right corner. To test your flow, go back to your Dynamics 365 instance. Create a new record based on the entity you selected earlier. After saving your new record, return to Power Automate to check the flow status. You should see a notification that the flow has run successfully. If there are any errors, review the flow details for troubleshooting. Make any necessary adjustments and test your flow again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.